How's it going, everyone? Thanks for joining us today. Today we're going to be smoking a prime rib using Salt Perfection's Manhattan Select Blend. Manhattan is absolutely delicious. It's garlic, salt, pepper, rosemary with orange, and it's developed specifically for prime rib. With the holidays coming up, we thought it would be good to have a little demonstration of how to smoke a prime rib for your loved ones for the holidays. So today I have about a 4-pound prime rib. Ordinarily you would have a much larger one, probably 10, 12 pounds. But with just two of us in the house, and it's not a holiday, so we don't have people coming over tomorrow, I'm doing a nice little 4-pounder. We have half pound of horseradish mustard, and we'll be combining that with garlic, fresh pressed garlic, and Worcestershire sauce. I'm using Bear & Burton's W sauce today. It's a great Worcestershire sauce, but anyone will do. That will be a binder. We'll slather that all over the outside of the roast, do a generous coating of Manhattan on top of that, and then we'll put it on the smoker today at 210 Fahrenheit, and we'll bring the roast up to an internal temperature of 125 Fahrenheit. At which point we'll remove the roast and let it rest for 15 or 20 minutes while the temperature of the smoker we bring up to 400 or 500. Once the smoker reaches that high temp, we'll put the roast back on until the internal temperature of the roast reaches 135. And the reason for that is that will give us a nice crust on the outside that will just absolutely be delicious. It will just bring all the flavors together. And 135 will be a nice medium rare doneness inside the roast. So enough talk. I'm getting hungry just thinking about this. So let's get into it. So for the binder, I'm just going to combine everything into this bowl here. Get as much of that yummy mustard in there as possible. All right. That's looking really good. So really, it's pretty simple. Just slather the outside of the roast with the mustard mix. This is a boneless roast. It's what was available. Around the holidays, prime rib is available all over the place. This time of year, not so much. So I had to go with what was available. Okay. That looks really good. Flicking mustard all over the place. So we're going to take our Manhattan. It's important with select blends to be generous. The citrus in our select blends brings such a unique component to whatever you're making. I watch some people use our seasonings, and they try to be a little sparing with it. I like to be very generous. see, did I get this end? I did. That looks great. I'm gonna put this up here, rotate that. We do have a temperature probe. We're gonna use that today. We're also gonna use an instant read thermometer to verify the temp. These probes work pretty well. They're not always exactly accurate. And I'm just gonna, let's not waste any of this. Try to get that on there. And why not? Add some more. Fantastic. Okay, we're gonna measure the internal temperature using an instant read thermometer here, just to make sure that our on-grill probe is accurate. Oh yeah, this is looking really nice. That's saying 91. Wow, and the on-grill probe is saying 91. That's awesome. Very nice. Okay, we're at about 122 degrees Fahrenheit internal temp according to the probe. So I'm going to try the instant read thermometer here and see if it agrees. Wow, look at that. 123. Okay, this is great. I've always wondered how accurate those were. So I'm going to leave it going for a few more minutes here, and then we'll come out, take it off, and crank up the heat to 500. Let this rest, and then put it back on and sear it. Okay, this is great. It's just a couple of minutes after I filmed that last segment, and the grill let me know that the probe reached its set temperature. So I went ahead and cranked it up to 500 degrees, and I'm gonna pull this probe out, set that aside, take my beautiful looking prime rib inside to rest. Hey, so I have the beautiful prime rib here, just resting under this tin foil while the grill heats up to 500 degrees. You can go to 400 degrees Fahrenheit if you want. Since my grill goes to 500, that's what I'm gonna do. I'll sear this until the internal temp is 135, and then it should be perfectly medium rare, and we will see. So stay tuned. Thanks for watching. Okay, the grill is nearly up to temperature. It's at about 450 Fahrenheit. So I'm just gonna put this back on now and put that meat probe in there. Ooh, yeah. Hear that sizzle. So the meat probe is in. All right, I just received the notification that the temperature probe has reached its set temp of 135. Oh, wow. Would you look at this? Wow, that looks so good. Let's get that inside and let it rest. We'll see you inside. This smells so good. We have it under a tent of tin foil here, or aluminum foil, and you can see that looks amazing. We're just gonna let it rest for a few minutes, and then we will slice it and see the fruits of our labor here. Okay, the moment of truth here. We're gonna go ahead and carve this up. So let's pull off the foil tent. Ooh, that looks really good. So we have this nice Cutlex carving knife, just arrived this morning, and I can't wait to try it here. Ooh, that cuts really nicely. Wow, would you look at that? That is just beautiful. It did go to about 140 before I was able to pull it off. So on the end, it's a little better done than medium rare, but looks fantastic regardless. And there's always somebody who likes it a little better done. Oh yeah, second slice, that is perfectly pink. Look at that, that is just beautiful. Pro tip here with Manhattan, what you can do is to freshen up the flavors, sprinkle a little bit on, use it in place of salt and pepper. It's really, really good. Thank you so much for watching. saltedperfection.com, and yeah, we'll see you in the next video. Happy holidays. Man, this looks so good. And
I want to try it.
Oh, okay. Well, get in there, get something.
Well, no, would you please cut me a piece?
You betcha.
The best one.
Well,
I think they're all good, right?
yeah. How about that one right there?
That's quite big. Should I just use my finger?
Of course.
Oh, man. That is so good.
Yum. Ooh, that's really good. Okay, so we absolutely devoured this prime rib. It was so good. The crust is phenomenal. Oh, man. That's really good. Try this, you're gonna love it. The Manhattan with the garlic, horseradish, mustard. All your guests will love it. Guaranteed. So, until next time, thanks for watching. Wow. Oh man, wow.